rubber band, bust a rubber band. Papa rubber band, bust a rubber band. Papa rubber band, bust a rubber band. Papa rubber band, bust a rubber band. So me papa rubber band, a bag a gyal a come along. Travel with it, papa me never just a man.
Yeah. Well, welcome back, everyone. And as you can see, her fashion is there already. Fashion is always evolving, but also revolving. Yeah, you know that. Guaranteed, we'll always see decade-old styles making a comeback every year. Like right now, Mayor said Belfoot pants are come back. But there's always a blend of current with the past. And an expert on that is Kaela Jade. Chelsea, Hyde, good morning.
Good morning.
Well, I can see the style all over you, so I know
Yes.
so you're definitely a stylist. How long have you been doing it?
I've been styling since 2019.
Professionally. But before that?
But before that, I've been styling like my whole life, basically, like my friends and my family members. Like I was always that friend in my friend group who would always be asked for fashion advice or what can I wear? Or
With this.
Oh, do you have this piece that I could put with this outfit?
Right.
Yeah, I was always that one that someone would come to.
Tell us some of the trends that have actually gone around and been back around, are coming around now.
Trends. I would definitely say the blazers. These big blazers.
Oversized
yes,
shirts
oversized
and oversized
blazers.
blazers.
I
that's
don't
a
really
big
pay
one.
attention to trends, to be
Okay.
honest. I just do my own thing.
No problem. So how did you get into the business part of styling? I know that you've always styled your friends and such, but when did you start dressing bands? I know you dress a lot of celebrities.
I started with my boyfriend, Leonard Benton. That's when I really started taking it serious, and he helped me be around, creatives that are in the fashion industry and whatnot. So that's when I really started to have clientele and whatnot.
All right, so I know you have some models that are here, and this will tell us a little bit about a mix of styles.
Yes.
So we can invite our first model out and we can take a look.
So we have our lovely Jody Leone in our Nigerian-inspired look.
Tell us a little bit about this now.
Yes, this look is a very nice, chic, silk look. She is a fashion influencer as well as an accountant. She just came from her lunch meeting and she's about to head on the cruise
Yes.
to make her way home, because she has her money and she's well put together.
Yeah,
and
she look
whatnot.
like she have money
Yes.
with that outfit there. Okay, so and lots of the times you tend to pair a very normal looking thing with a very out there piece, like the hat. Nobody would have thought to just drop that hat with it. But where do you get these pieces?
I got these pieces from the thrift store. All my pieces, even my entire outfit is from the thrift store.
Wow.
So that whole fit was like a good $10.
Wow,
Yes.
wow, that's
and then I got the
fantastic.
hat from Halfway Tree for $1,000.
Fantastic.
Which was good.
Thank you so much. So our next model that we will be welcoming is
Our next model, we have Savannah.
Savannah. Come on out.
So here we have a nice CEO boss look. She is the CEO of a fashion brand. As you can see, she doesn't really do too much talking. Her outfit speaks for her.
Sure.
And, she's just about her business. So this is a nice look.
So she is in a suit, but the suit is so mixed. The suit looks, that belt, I don't even know how you managed to mix all of those things in, but tell us a little bit about where you got those pieces as well. Are those thrift pieces too?
Yes, the whole fit is thrifted. I purchased fabric from Pablo's, and I just wrapped it around to give it a good aesthetic to the fit.
Very nice.
And the purses
Wonderful.
from the thrift store as well as the rings.
I know a
and
lot of us
shades.
don't know about thrift stores in Jamaica, but where do you find thrift stores? That's a trade secret. Okay. Is our next model coming out will be?
Our next model, we have our fashion designer, Ramar,
All right.
in our lovely animal print shirt.
Yes.
And our nice mint green pants with his black comeback boots and his nice retro shades.
So that's a little bit of old and new right there.
Yes,
We have the new
mixture.
with the combat boots. I noticed the ladies have been wearing very stylish shoes, the clear shoes, and then it's mixed in with a lot of things that you say you got from the thrift store.
Yes.
So it's a mix of everything that you try and
Yes.
put together. How popular is thrifting in Jamaica? Is it a popular thing?
Honestly, I would say yes for creatives. But
for the average man,
No,
not so much.
people sleep on it.
Yeah.
And it's time for them to wake up because you see how this fit looks. It's straight bomb. You know?
Okay. What tips would you give somebody who is going to just start out thrifting?
I would say keep an open mind when it comes to thrifting. Don't thrift and have a particular thing in mind because you just might find something that's like out of this route and you're like, oh wow. Yeah, thrifting is really like time traveling, to be honest. That's why I love it so much. So I would just say keep an open mind. That's the first thing.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
We like to welcome all the models back on stage so we can take a look at all these looks together. But we are seeing on screen now some of your other style looks and they are absolutely fantastic.
Thank you.
And how can people find you if they want you for a photo shoot or something like that?
You can message me on Instagram, and then from there you'll see my email. My Instagram is lovekoji, LUVKOJI.
Okay.
Yes.
And how in this time when everybody is looking for stylists, how expensive or inexpensive is a stylist?
Stylists are very expensive.
Aye. Talk truth.
Very expensive.
Because
but
you guys do all the work. You go and run and
Yes.
find all of these pieces and dress and then have to take them back.
Yes.
Fantastic. Well, guys, if you like her style and you love what you see, you can get her to style you up. What is it again on Instagram?
Love Koji, LUVKOJI.
And the name
Love
of your
Koji.
company, Styled by Koji.
Yes, my stylist name is Koji Styles.
There we go. Fantastic. Thank you so much for coming by. Thank you,
Thank
models.
you for having
Loving
me.
your outfits.
Appreciate it.
They look rich.
Yeah, very rich.
The stylist, Kaela Jade, Chelsea Hyde. Guess what? Thank you so much for coming. We're going to revisit the old dating guide when we get back from the break. Don't go anywhere. This part I got nice. Soon come.
Skinny round front clear. See the government, skinny round back clear. Back it up again, be a big rock out.